Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. This is the part second of our Lutska pathway. Right? We have already discussed first part, in which we have discussed the basic structure of Lutska pathway and movement verbs. So this is the second part, in which we are going to discuss pronominal verbs and object pronoun in Lutska pathway. So let's get started. Pronominal verbs. So we have already made one video on pronominal verbs. You can check that out in case you have any doubts in pronominal verbs. So let's discuss the structure first. In case of pluskapakve, we are using subject, reflexive pronoun, eth verb in ampakve form, past participle, object and gender wise ending. So in case of pronominal verbs, we are using gender wise ending. Correct? We are using reflexive pronoun here before eth. Let's discuss it with the help of example. Je m'étais lavé avant de sortir. Je m'étais lavé avant de sortir. I had washed myself before going out. This one is reflexive pronoun here. This one is eth in ampakve form. This is pp and rest is object, and here gender wise ending doesn't apply. Yes, if this is feminine, the person who is saying this, if it's feminine, then you can add e to it. But I just consider it myself, so je m'étais lavé avant de sortir. I had washed up before going out. Another example. Elle s'était maquillée avant la fête. Maquillée, to put on makeup. She had put on makeup before the party. She had put on makeup before the party. Subject, reflexive pronoun. This is eth verb in ampakve form, pp and rest of the sentence. Clear? And gender wise ending is also there because this is she. Avant de partir pour l'école, je m'étais brossé les dents. Before going or before leaving for school, I brushed or I had brushed my teeth. Avant de partir pour l'école, je m'étais brossé les dents. So this is plukavakya. This is reflexive. Then eth verb, pp and rest. Il s'était déjà couché quand leurs amis sont arrivés. They couché. They had gone to bed before their friends arrived. Ils s'étaient déjà couchés quand leurs amis sont arrivés. They had gone to bed when their friends arrived. Next, nous étions préparés avant que la pluie ne commence. Nous étions préparés. We had prepared or we had get ready before the rain started. Nous étions préparés avant que la pluie ne commence. Nous étions. Reflexive, eth verb and pp. Nous étions préparés avant que la pluie ne commence. Another one. Il s'était habillé avant de continuer le voyage. They had dressed up before continuing the journey. Eles sete habie avant de continuer leur voyage's journey. They had, habie is to put on the dress. They had put on the dress before continuing the journey. Next, tu t'étais déjà rassé avant le rendez-vous? This is a question, interrogative. You had already, what is ghase? Shaved before meeting. You had already shaved before meeting or before appointment. Correct? This is reflexive here. Hath verb, PP. I hope pronominal verb within local papa is clear. So let's move to object pronoun. In object pronoun, we are using subject, then DOP IOP will come here. Then we are using avoir. Here we are using eth, here we are using avoir. In imperfect form, PP plus object and gender-wise ending will also be there, but in case of DOP, in case of direct object, not in case of indirect object. Right? Let's discuss it with the help of example. Avant que Jean part, je lui avais donné le livre. Before John leave or before John left, I gave him or I had given him the book. This one is, what is this one? Object pronoun. Je lui avais donné le livre. So as per our subject, DOP, IOP, verb, PP and object. Avant que Jean parte, je lui avais donné le livre. I hope this is clear. Quand ils sont arrivés, ils leur avaient déjà parlé. When they arrived, he already talked to them. They are talking about somebody else, right? When they arrived, he already talked to them. He had already talked to them, to somebody else, right? Somebody is coming, but before that, he had already talked to somebody else. So this one is Plusquamperfect. Next example. Quand Paul est arrivé, vous lui aviez déjà expliqué la situation. When Paul arrived, you aviez, right? You had already explained the situation to him, somebody else, right? Quand Paul est arrivé, vous lui aviez déjà expliqué la situation. When Paul arrived, you had already explained the situation to him, to somebody else, right? Clear? Next example. Avant que les étudiants posent des questions, il leur avait fourni une réponse. Before the student raise the questions or before the student asked the questions, they promised to answer them. Il leur avait promis une réponse. This is Plusquamperfect here. DOP, IOP here. Avant que les étudiants posent des questions, il leur avait promis une réponse. Before the students raise the questions, they had already promised to give them answers. Next sentence. Avant que Maggie parte, Tu Louise avait envoyé une lettre. Before Mary left, you had already sent a letter to her. Avant que Maggie parte, tu lui avais envoyé une lettre. Next, quand vous nous avez vu, nous l'avions déjà rencontré. When you saw us, we had already met. Quand vous nous avez vu, nous l'avions déjà rencontré. When you saw us, we had already met. Clear? This is object pronoun. Because this is feminine here, right? That's why this is extra E, gender is ending. I hope object pronoun is also clear. And pronominal verb as well. So this is all about pluscup. In case you have any issue or questions in part 1 or part 2, you can always write in the comment box, right? And in case you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.